Greetings and welcome to Intech. I'm Bill Jewell with Colorado-based Insulation Technology Corporation. We have a large truck mount machine that we manufacture. It's Saturday, it's kind of quiet down in production, and I've got a brand new model down there and one with some of the covers off. Let's go take a look at this new machine, maybe talk a little bit about the required periodic maintenance designed to keep it profitable and lasting for a long time. Let's go down and have a look. We start by opening the access door by pulling the latch-in keeper. Let's talk about our Honda engine first here. This is a 660cc Honda 4-cycle engine. Has an electric start that operates from the control panel of it over here. Has an air filter up here that you should clean the air filter check it on a daily basis for cleanliness. Here's your oil fill and your oil dipstick. The machine has a low oil warning system in it that will shut it off if it runs out of oil for safety. Now let's talk a little bit about some of our other parts in here. There are two electric clutches in the machine. The main clutch right here that drives the blower, and the other electric clutch over here that drives the airlock and the agitator. Those clutches both are operating the main shaft through the machine down here that sits in two pillow blocks. Now let's talk a little bit about lubrication. You notice that on the pillow blocks there is a Zerk fitting or a grease fitting on each one. There are also Zerk or grease fittings on each sprocket on the right side over here of the machine. There are two Zerk fittings on top of your blower that's back there. And then we have additional Zerk fittings that are on the outside of the machine that are accessed. This machine has the cover on it, but this one has the cover removed so you can see the location of these four sprockets, all of which have Zerk fittings on them. There is one last Zerk fitting on one other spot here. That Zerk fitting is right up here on the outside of this bearing right here. Let's talk now about oil change on the blower. The blower has an oil drain right down here on the bottom and an oil filler and a vent up here on the top. Now, overall maintenance on the machine itself as far as cleaning, use a soft brush to clean the surfaces off, vacuum any insulation out from the inside, check all your components as far as tightness, make sure nothing is loose. You're ready to go for another 40 hours. I hope you've enjoyed this Intech iVideo or informational video on our new Force 5280 blowing machine.